Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soft fudge. Start your journey to delicious, soft fudge by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget a small pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 3 ounces of your favorite chocolate, chopped. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, milk, butter, and salt. Place it over medium heat and stir continuously until the mixture comes to a full, rolling boil. Once boiling, stop stirring and let it continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes. This precise timing is crucial for achieving that wonderfully creamy, soft texture we're aiming for. Once your 5 minutes are up, remove the pan from the heat. Immediately add your chopped chocolate to the hot mixture. Stir vigorously until the chocolate is fully melted and beautifully smooth. Next, stir in the vanilla extract. Continue to beat the fudge mixture until it starts to thicken and lose some of its glossy sheen. This step is key for a perfect, soft set. Finally, it's time to set your delicious creation. Pour the warm fudge into an 8 by 8 inch pan that you've lined with parchment paper. Smooth the top evenly with a spatula. Now, the hardest part, patience. Let the fudge cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours or until it's firm. Then, simply cut it into 1-inch squares and enjoy your homemade, soft, easy fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.